Gotta wait for the plane. A really important structure in the cell is the plasma membrane, also known as the cell membrane. I'll probably use those terms interchangeably. They mean the same thing. This is the barrier that separates the outside of the cell from the inside of the cell. Plasma membranes are selectively permeable. And that's just fancy science talk for some stuff is allowed to come in and some stuff is kept out. My dog Maggie likes to find bones in the forest. She'll carry them for like 2 miles. And when we get home, she wants to bring the forest bones into the house. Forest bones are not allowed in the house. Grocery store bones are allowed in the house. So my front door in this analogy is acting like the plasma membranes. It is the filter that will allow some things in and keeps the unwanted things out. The plasma membrane is composed of 2 layers of phospholipids. Remember, we talked about those last week. In those phospholipids, there's also some proteins that are embedded in there, and they help transfer stuff into and out of the cell. There's also things like sugars that live on the surface, on the outside surface of the plasma membrane, and those sugars allow the cells to communicate with each other. Other lipids, such as cholesterol, keep the plasma membrane nice and fluid. So it's not too rigid, so it will break, and it's not too loose, that it just falls apart.